This is the gate. Then from the gate, this is inside. That one is the house of Lorna, the one in pink. Outside I walk going in. That is the house of my sister, and the other is the other one renting this place. That one is Mowgli's dad, Borgie. Look out, there's a squash. The dog house. Room. A living room. My nephew's toys. This is the door for my sister room. Kitchen. The door for where I stayed. This is the room of the nanny. A lot of stuff. Look where my computer is. Water bottle. This is the restroom.